Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on dYdX token. Yesterday I posted a video and I told you that the price line of dYdX has broken out a falling wedge pattern and also an inverse head and shoulder pattern. And by the way, this was the idea that I shared for my members at the Patreon yesterday. And let me play this chart and show you how the price line behaved after that. Then I'll take you to the live chart to show you what the price line can do next. And you can see the price line just broke out this resistance of the falling wedge. And our first target as per this falling wedge was $9.17 and the second target was $10.60. And this was the recent swing low before this breakout. Therefore, I put my stop loss below this level from 16.59 to $5.95. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line was moving at $7.58, and so far it has rallied up to $8.90, very close to the first target. And I'm expecting soon it will hit the first target, and it will go for the second target as well. Now let's move to the daily life time frame chart first, and then I'll take you back again at this falling wedge pattern to show you what the expected move can be. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move back to this chart. And here on the daily time frame, we can see that the price line is moving in this down channel since September 2021. We have several rejections by the resistance and few touch points at the support. Therefore, there are more chances for the breakout rather than breakdown. And here I told you in my previous video that we also have a very long-term resistance, another resistance of exponential moving average 21, that is this red line, and also the 10 as well. And the price line is not able to break it out. You can see that here it broke it down, the EM at 21, on approximately on 20th October. And after that, we had several rejections by EM at 21 again and again. And finally here, the price line is breaking out this EM at 21. For example, if I place this trend line here where we have the EM at 21 exactly and switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then we are having closing above this EM at 21 on the 4-hourly time frame, and I'm expecting that soon we will also have the closing on the daily time frame as well. And after that, it will work as a very strong support for the price line, and then there will be very high probability for the breakout from this down channel as well. Now let's move to this 4-hourly time frame, and here we were watching that the price line formed this falling wedge pattern that I showed you here, and at the same time the price line also formed a head and shoulder pattern as well. And this was the left shoulder, this was the right shoulder, and here we had the neckline, and the price line broke out both the neckline and the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern and the resistance of the falling wedge together. Now this was the target as per the falling wedge, but if we take a look at the target for the head and shoulder pattern, then if I place this trend line from this head to this resistance or neckline, then we are expecting approximately $12 after this breakout. And if the price line will break out this, will reach here at the $12, then it can also break out the resistance of this channel as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.